Welcome to Excel4Tally.com, and today we will learn about what is bank reconciliation. Bank reconciliation is a process that explains the difference between the bank balance shown in an organization's bank statement as supplied by the bank, and the corresponding amount shown in the organization's own accounting records at a particular point of time. Select Banking under the Utilities menu. Select Bank Reconciliation. Select the required bank account and press Enter. Bring the cursor from April to August, and press Enter. This brings up the vouchers from April to August. Since this is a bank account, there is an additional button Alt+R, Reconcile, on the button bar. Press Alt+R, Reconcile, to view bank reconciliations. The display goes to the reconciliation mode, which can be edited. The primary component of the current screen is the column for bank date. The balance as per company books reflects the balance as on the last date. In the example, it is August 1st. The amount not reflected in bank are the debit and credit sums of all those vouchers, whose bank date is either blank. That's why these vouchers have not yet been reflected in the bank statement. The amount not reflected in company books are entries which are present in the bank statement, but are not recorded in company's books. The balance as per bank is the net effect of the book balance offset by the amounts not reflected in the bank, which must be equal to the balance in the bank statement. The difference in bank balance, difference in balance as per bank and balance as per imported bank statement, will be shown here. Set Allow Backdated Reconciliation to Yes to enter bank dates which are lesser than the voucher date. Once this reconciliation process is complete, accept the screen. As always, you can press Ctrl+A to save. Now we will learn how to import bank statement and contra entries in Tally Company using Excel4Tally.com. Go to Excel4Tally.com. Select Excel4Tally.com. Now sign in to Excel4Tally.com, and if you have never registered, then click on Register. Try free to sign up. Click on Try Free to open the bank statement and contra template. From here you can download the Excel sample file. Your file is downloaded and you can open it from here. The bank ledgers are to be mentioned over here and must be created in your Tally company. These ledgers will get automatically created if you use the Auto Generate Master option on the Excel4Tally website. Over here mention the voucher type for the entries. All these red columns are mandatory and cannot be kept blank except for the debit and credit columns. There are two formats for this type of data and the other one is here. In this format also the same rules are applicable as in format 1 except for the debit-credit column. If you want to use the second format, then just delete the first format sheet from here. Copy and paste your data accordingly and then save the Excel file. Go to excel4tally.com. Now from here select the company of your choice. Now if you want to create the red column ledgers automatically, then click on this option, but if you already have some ledgers created in Tally and importing the same ledger with a bit of details, then it will alter them with the information specified within the Excel file. Now browse and select the Excel file from here. Now press on Process Excel Records and your file will start uploading and you will receive an XML file after it. Now right-click on the location in the address bar to copy the location path. Open your Tally Prime application to import your data in it. Now press Alt+O to access Import option or click over here. Now select Transactions option. Now copy the location path over here and press Enter button. Now you can check it in Daybook. As you can see that our data has been imported. And that's how you can import bank statement and contra entries in Excel data in Tally using excel4tally.com.